To get started, launch the TikTok app on your smartphone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. You will then notice the new update labeled, Thoughts, displayed in a speech bubble format over your profile picture. If you don't see this, make sure to update your TikTok app. Next, tap on the Thoughts to proceed. In the text box that appears, enter any thoughts you wish to share with your friends and followers. If you tap on this round icon, you can change the background color. By tapping the Settings gear icon, you can select who is allowed to view this post. Finally, tap on Your Story to share your thought. Your thoughts have been updated, and will appear over your profile picture for the next 24 hours. Tap on it to view. If you wish to delete your thoughts, tap on the arrow icon in the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, tap on Delete. Tap Delete once more to confirm. And your thought has been deleted. So that's how you can share your thoughts on TikTok.